I'm gonna make some no-bake chocolate oatmeal cookies, and I bet a lot of you have had this recipe, but maybe yours is different than mine. Then again, maybe some of you have never had one, and if you've never had one, you really don't know what you're missing. I'm gonna take you over to my stovetop and we're gonna get started on this.
Go ahead and grab a saucepan. We are going to put 1 cup of sugar in that saucepan. Now grab the baking cocoa, and we are going to put 3 heaping tablespoons of baking cocoa in there as well. Now go ahead and mix those together. You want to blend that really well. Do not cut your stovetop iron yet. Add 1/2 to 3/4 stick of butter, 1/2 cup of milk. Go ahead and stir that around, and you can cut that stovetop eye on medium. Keep stirring this until the butter melts and it's all blended together. We are not going to leave this for very long. You will stir it occasionally. It is going to come to a complete rolling boil. This needs to boil for no less than 1 minute and no more than 2 minutes. This is perhaps the most important step. It's the key to making these. If you don't let it boil for at least 1 minute or no more than 2 minutes, these will actually not harden. And if you let them boil over 2 minutes, you may not be able to get them out of the pan. These harden really quickly. After your 1 to 2 minutes are up, you're going to want to move really quickly. Move that pan aside, grab your peanut butter. A lot of recipes call for 1/2 cup of peanut butter, but I actually add 1 cup of peanut butter because I have found that it actually keeps them from being so hard. It actually makes them a little more moist, and they taste so much better. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of oats. Go ahead and blend that together, and we're working very quickly here. Now add your 2nd cup of oats and go ahead and work that in. Your 3rd cup of oats. So that's 3 cups of instant oats. If you use rolled oats, they actually turn out a little bit chewier or hard, and they don't taste as good, so make sure you use instant oats. Quickly stir this around until all of those oats are covered in chocolate, and then you are going to quickly take this to the countertop where you are going to lay them out. Now you can use wax paper. I like to use my trays, and go ahead and start dropping them on there. Now with my recipe, they turn out immediately, and you can even take your hands and shape them into a circle.
Here they are, and yum. These are the best cookies ever. I remember making these with my girlfriend when I was younger, and sometimes they'd turn out and sometimes they wouldn't, but we'd just eat them right off of that wax paper. I hope you guys have a good evening, and I'm gonna go have a cookie.